Welcome to the 2A through 2C homework solution tutorial. Here I will be covering the multiply monomials 1 and 2. Let's take a look. Here we have to remember our properties. When we are multiplying exponents like 2x squared times x to the third power, we write the same base. So this is base of x, this is base of x, and so this is the same base of x. What we do to the exponent is we add them. It's 2 add 3, which gives you x to the 6th power. Okay, that's the same idea here. So we have 2x times 4x squared. Okay, so we have the 2 and the 4, so 2 times 4. Then I'm going to times x squared. 2 times 4 is just 8. X times x squared, there's really a 1 here, so we write x 1 plus 2, but we know what 1 plus 2 is. 1 plus 2 is 3, and we can just say it is x to the third. So it's 8x to the third. Let's do 12. Again, it is just negative 12 times x squared times negative 2 times x. I run it like this so you can see the multiplication. Okay? Negative 12 times negative 2 times x squared times x. Negative 12 times negative 2, that gets you a positive 24. Okay. We don't ever write that positive. We already know that. Then we're going to multiply this to x. The exponent here is 2. The exponent here is 1, so we make sure we add them. 2 plus 1, it's just 3. So we can just write this is to the third power. So there you go. Here it is 24x cubed.